How to disable message requests from server members you may not know on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. And make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. You go first guys and you open Discord. Then when Discord is opening, as you see, you will just go down and open your profile here. Then you go to privacy and safety and click. Then you will go down, you will have a lot of options. You will go to enable a message request from server member you may not know. So you will just turn off this option by clicking here on this place, then you will click yes, and that's it, it will work with you. That's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.